Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Alan and welcome back to the channel again. Today we are back at my in-laws house working on their house, and for anyone that is new to this series, my in-laws house was hit by a tornado last year and we are helping them remodel and kind of rebuild it all at the same time. So today we are basically going to try to tear off a little bit more of the roof, just up to where that wall is kind of torn out, and then basically tear that roof off and then hopefully build walls and get some trusses up on that section of the house today. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll film everything that we work on today. So we're taking a quick break right now, at least all of us that were working on taking off the shingles and the boards that were up there on the roof, but we got those off, and it's really hot out today. It's like upper 80s, supposed to get into the 90s, so that's slowing us down a little bit. But yeah, just taking a quick break, and then we'll, my battery's about to die, so I'm gonna have to charge it, and then we'll start filming again. So we are just about to take a break for lunch. My camera's all charged up again now. But this is what we did while the camera was off. We tore out basically the entire kitchen roof and walls, and then they are cutting new subfloor for that part over there that we added on. And hopefully after lunch we'll get trusses on this part. Sorry if that skill saw is really loud, you probably can't hear anything. But just to show you what we've done. Alright guys, well we are pretty much done working for today. We just got the tarp up on the roof, but I'm going to take you guys around and give you one last little tour of everything that we did today, because we did get quite a bit done. So here is the current front door, very secure, and once we go in here you can see everything that we opened up today. So if you remember this morning, there was a roof that came out from here, basically from there all the way to where this new wall ends. There was a roof over most of that section over there, but we tore those out and tore this wall out that was right in here. And this is going to be the new kitchen. It has really high ceilings, as you can see. It's just kind of a big open floor plan. It's going to be awesome. And then that wall over there that they're standing by, that wall we framed out today and then put these trusses over the top of it. That is pretty much everything that we did today. So I think that's going to go ahead and wrap up the video. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more of us working on this house. And we'll see you guys in the next one.